Hello and welcome to my tutorial on how to fold a paper pigeon. So, this is the thing we're going to fold today. Like that. So we're going to sit right. Okay, so let me unfold the model. Okay, so you're supposed to take a square piece of paper. You fold it down like that. As you fold it. Wait, sorry, I'll do that again for you. Fold it in half. Diagonally. Sorry. Sorry for that. Fold it like that. Diagonally. Unfold it. Fold it sideways. What you want to do is you want to keep it like that. And so like the crease first. I guess the model it's like that. I'll show you how to do that. So you'll notice that there are two flaps. Take both flaps and just fold it down. Make sure it's not all the way. Then we'll make the crease again. See this flap? Take one flap and fold it down. But remember, do not fold it down all the way. Now you have something looking like this. You want to do, fold it in half, like that. I'll show it to you again. Listen. Now what you want to do, if you want to, see I've already did. You go like that, see, you have to pause it. Fold it up to about, make sure it's like that. Okay, so, you want to make sure it goes diagonally. And then do the same for right beside it. Make sure you align it up. Make sure you align it up with the other wing. Sorry for this disgusting stuff. Now the model looks like this. Now what you do, see, let me get slip off this. Sorry for the rain. See if the model's open, simply take it, fold it down a tiny bit. Make sure it sticks out a little bit. Fold position. You inside reversible than what you do for a crane head, but only do it a little bit, about like that much. Come on. But wait, so then the wings, you simply fold down the other one. Make sure you align it up with the other wing. Take it, let go of it, but then you like that, keep it folded down. Now, I should tell you this in the beginning. So get a pen or like a marker. I'm using a twistable. Then where you did this fold, see how you did a little fold right there? You want to, I'll show you where you draw the eyes. You want to draw the eyes about, see that little dot there? That's the eye. It's the same on the other side. Let's go with the wings. And then there is your origami pigeon. I hope you enjoyed and then watch my other videos. Note, my other videos are all cut off, so and I don't want to make too much videos. Please comment on that, okay? Bye. And thank you for watching my tutorial on how to fold an origami sparrow.